Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which union ministry launched the nationwide roadmap for She-Mart's initiative in May 2026 to empower women associated with self-help groups? Right answer is option B, Ministry of Rural Development. Which state secured the top position in completing housing construction under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban 2.0 according to data released in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Odisha. During his visit to which country in May 2026 did Prime Minister Narendra Modi visit the historic Afshodik Dam project? Right answer is option C, Netherlands. Which organization launched Project Saksham in May 2026 to empower women living in rural communities along national highways? Correct answer is option A, National Highways Authority of India. Which highly contagious disease outbreak in Congo and Uganda was declared a public health emergency of international concern by the World Health Organization in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Ebola disease. Which bank became the first Taiwanese bank to establish a branch at Gift City, Gujarat in May 2026? Right answer is option D, CTBC Bank. In which state was the Itorgidi festival celebrated by the Adi community observed in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Which state or union territory launched the 90-day Mera Bharat Mera Yogdan campaign in May 2026? Right answer is option C, Delhi. In May 2026, under which operation did Indian agencies seize rupees 182 crore worth of Captagon tablets for the first time? Right answer is option B, Operation Rage Pill. Who was appointed as the new High Commissioner of India to the United Kingdom in May 2026? Correct answer is option A, P. Kumaran. In which city was India's first AI and digitally powered Phygital Bank branch launched in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Guwahati, Assam. Which union minister launched the rupees 175 crore Coffees of Nagaland mission to promote the premium coffee sector in northeast India in May 2026? Right answer is option C, Jyotiraditya M. Scindia. According to a report released in May 2026, which reservoirs reached the most alarming condition due to the summer season? Correct answer is option D, Krishna Basin. From which location did Union Home Minister Amit Shah launch the Jan Jan Suvidha Kendra model in May 2026, transforming security camps into development centers? Right answer is option B, Bastar, Chhattisgarh. Which city hosted the BRICS Senior Officials Meeting and Justice Ministers Meeting under India's BRICS chairship in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Where is India's third National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management being established? Correct answer is option A, Hajipur, Bihar. Which state became the first in India to completely deregulate and eliminate restrictive compliances across all priority development sectors in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Tripura. Major General B.C. Khanduri, who passed away in May 2026, was the former Chief Minister of which state? Right answer is option D, Uttarakhand. The SMILE mission, launched in May 2026 by the European Space Agency, is being carried out in collaboration with which country's space agency? Right answer is option C, CAS China. Who was appointed as the new executive director of the Reserve Bank of India in May 2026? Right answer is option A, Ganveer Singh. At the Asian Under 15 Boxing Championship held in Tashkent, Uzbekistan, how many medals did India win in total? Right answer is option A, 27 medals. Who became the first Indian Grandmaster to qualify for the Esports World Cup 2026? Right answer is option D, Aravind Chidambaram. How many medals did India win at the Asian Weightlifting Championships 2026 held in Gandhinagar, Gujarat? Right answer is option A, 10 medals. The 2.10-kilometer long Mahe Tokpo Raltor Irrigation Canal, inaugurated in Ladakh's Changtang region in May 2026, receives water from which lake? Right answer is option C, Yaya Lake. According to NASA satellite data and environmental experts, which historic river of the Middle East could completely dry up by the year 2040 due to climate change? Right answer is option C, Euphrates River. In May 2026, where was India's first indigenously developed Suryastra guided rocket system successfully tested? Right answer is option B, Chandipur, Odisha. Which state launched the Jan Bhagidari Sabse Dur Sabse Pehle campaign in May 2026 to extend the benefits of government schemes to remote tribal villages? Right answer is option C, Chhattisgarh. Which Indian city hosted the 68th session of the governing body of the Asian Productivity Organization in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. In May 2026, who was unanimously re elected as the chairman of the Commonwealth Chess Association for the 2026 to 2030 term? Right answer is option B, Bharat Singh Chauhan. Which country's Imjingak Peace Park was the site where Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated an Indian War Memorial in May 2026? Right answer is option A, South Korea. Which country successfully tested its RS 28 Sarmat intercontinental ballistic missile in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Russia. Which Indian Navy ship arrived at Chattogram, Bangladesh in May 2026 under the Indian Navy's IOS Sagar initiative? Correct answer is option C, INS Sunaina. Where did DRDO successfully conduct the test of the ULPGM V3 unmanned aerial vehicle capable of carrying out both air to surface and air to air strikes in May 2026? Right answer is option D, Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. In May 2026, which union minister launched the Jeevan mobile app for senior citizens and the Shatayu dashboard for geriatric caregivers? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Virendra Kumar. Which country sent three astronauts to its Tiangong space station aboard the Shenzhou 23 spacecraft in May 2026? Right answer is option A, China. Which state or union territory granted industry status to its tourism department registered hotels and guest houses with effect from June 1st, 2026? Right answer is option C, Ladakh. Which bank, in partnership with RuPay, launched India's first USD based debit card for non resident Indians at Gift City in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, ICICI Bank. In May 2026, which union minister dedicated the Ummeed network to the nation to help tackle inherited genetic diseases? Right answer is option B, Dr. Jitendra Singh. In May 2026, the renowned mountaineer Kami Rita Sherpa, popularly known as the Everest Man, created a new world record by climbing Mount Everest for the 32nd time. He belongs to which country? Right answer is option A, Nepal. On which date was National Anti-Terrorism Day observed in India in 2026? Right answer is option C, May 21st. In May 2026, Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav inaugurated India's first SME-led semiconductor chip manufacturing ATMP or OSAT facility in which city? Correct answer is option B, Bhiwadi, Rajasthan. In May 2026, security forces declared Gadchiroli district completely free from armed Naxal presence under Operation Antim Prahar. Gadchiroli is located in which state? Correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. In May 2026, Oil India Limited discovered a new reserve of natural gas at the Dandewala field located in which state? Correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. In May 2026, two female cheetahs, CCV2 and CCV3, were released into the open forests of Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh. From which African country were they brought to India? Correct answer is option A, Botswana. Who was named the new Chief Minister of Karnataka in May 2026? Right answer is option B, DK Shivkumar. Who has been honored with the L'Oreal UNESCO for Women in Science International Awards 2026 in the Asia and Pacific region? Correct answer is option A, Phyllis Jacka. In May 2026, which renowned artist was conferred with the Padma Shri Award for preserving and promoting the traditional Indian Kanta embroidery craft? Right answer is option B, Tripti Mukherjee. Which state signed an MOU with the central government in May 2026 to implement the PM Shri School scheme? Right answer is option C, West Bengal. Which football club won the Indian Super League 2026 title for the first time in May 2026? Right answer is option C, East Bengal FC. In May 2026, which Indian airport achieved the Zero Waste to Landfill Platinum Class 1 rating from the Confederation of Indian Industry by diverting over 99% of its waste from landfills? Correct answer is option C, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.